Oh, sauce it down, sauce it up. You too much, ain't enough.
Well guys, it's NGK330 back for another video on mining, and today I'm actually going to show you how I moved some of my farm, or mini farm, whatever you want to call it, over to mine Zcash for a while, just to see what kind of gains I can get and see how they, see what I can do. So this is my 1050 2 gigabyte MSI 1050, getting 154 souls, and I'll show you. This is the computer it's in. It's just one of those, where's it at? 790, Optilex 790. So this is, I had to get a low profile card because it's like the half, I don't even know what those are called, to be honest, just the slots on the end. They're not like the typical size of a computer like that. They're half of that. So I had to get a low profile card, and the power supply on this thing's like 200 watts, so I can't overclock too much or else it'll cut the whole like computer off basically and turn off. So I've been playing around with that, but yeah, so right now I'm running 80% power, 250 on the core, 250 or 25 on the memory. So I was getting, when I started, 156 souls. It's slowly creeping down, and then it'll eventually level off. And I am still running, obviously, the video, so that's going to be taking some. Oh, it just came back up a little bit too. 152 right there. So a $120 GTX 1050 will get you about 150 roughly with decent overclocks. 150 souls on Zcash. And then I have my 1060 rig. I actually did lower it one more, and I put these little rubber things on the end so it looks a lot cleaner. But I have my 1, 2, and 3. Oh, there's 1060s running on this ancient board that I got from my brother. 700 watt power supply, 250 gig hard drive. Nothing fancy. 6 gigs of RAM, that type of thing. I upped my virtual memory because somebody on the forum I'm on was telling me to do that. So right now, I'm going to refresh that quick. So I'm currently getting 772 souls from my 3 1060s. Each one's getting in between 250 and 260. And the overclocks I'm running right now are still from my Ethereum. So I have 955 on the memory, and then I'm at 0 core clock. And from what I've understand, Zcash is actually more like the core clock makes more of a difference in memory clock. So I'm gonna mess around with those later and see what kind of numbers I can get. But for right now, this has been going steady. It says current calculated hash rate, average hash rate for the last 6 hours. So yeah, this didn't take too long to set up, but I was troubleshooting a little bit the other night because I kept doing it wrong. But Nanopool, they have a really easy help section. It helps you a lot. So if you guys would like to see a video on that, I could try and make that happen. So if you guys enjoy the video, like seeing the little updates of what I'm doing and what kind of coins I'm getting into, then make sure to leave a like, comment down below. Any constructive criticism, anything you can say to help me be a better YouTuber or whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to leave it this for today, but I'll bring you guys back in a couple days and we'll get another update.
You only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go. Whoa, whoa, only know you've been high when you're feeling low.